Hi guys, is your laptop feeling sluggish or are you running out of storage space? Don't worry, you don't have to buy new PC or download all this third-party file. Today I'm going to show you how to safely clear your laptop and delete all the temporary files to instantly speed up your laptop. Let's dive in. Step 1, let's use Windows built-in automation. You just have to open your settings by pressing Windows key plus I. After pressing Windows key plus I, go to the system. After going to the system, go to storage. You see these temporary files, all these things. Just go to temporary files. You see a bunch of files and storage that they will apply for you to delete. If you want to delete this delivery optimizing file, just delete it. But if you delete it, there will not be any problem on your laptop. But don't check this download button. If you check this download, it will automatically delete all your important documents, all your apps, all your stuff on your laptop. It will delete it. Don't click that download button. If you want, hit this recycle bin. This recycle bin is place where your deleted files is going. If you want, you hit the recycle bin. After pressing it, you press remove files. The thing will load. After loading, it have automatically delete all the unwanted files on your laptop. Let's go to the next step. Step 2, run this command. This will manually clean up your laptop. First thing to do is to press Windows key plus R. After pressing Windows key plus R, this will automatically, by default, it will bring out this percent 10%. If it not bring out this percent 10%, you have to manually type it by yourself. This percent 10%. Just write it by yourself. After writing it, press OK. After these files here, they are unwanted files they are useless on your laptop. It's not doing any job on your laptop. It's just to fill up your storage. This is all the junk files, you just have to click Ctrl A to auto select all the files in this folder. Ctrl A and press delete. After it will automatically delete. Just keep deleting because the file that is here is very big. That's what is filling up your space. Just delete all the files in that folder. After deleting all the files, you go back. Let's move to step 3. Step 3 is to delete the temporary files on your browser. You just have to hit Chrome. I always use Chrome. So if you are using any browser at all that you are using steady, you just have to click the folder. For me, I'm using Chrome. You just have to open the Chrome, go to the 3 dots over here and go to the delete browsing data. Hit the delete browsing data. It will auto select all these unwanted. You see this cast image file, download history. This download history automatically delete all the files on your download this thing. You just have to delete all the files that is shown on your browser. All these delete history, you have to delete. Like all these browsing history, you have to delete all the things. Like it's no use to your laptop. Just hit delete from this device. It will automatically delete all the things. So with this, your laptop will speed up. If this video is helpful to you, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So any time I drop an amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to hear it. Thank you and God bless you.